And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, a 48-hour curfew is now in effect in sections of Eldersley Gardens and Tall's Meadows in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. This amidst unrest following the fatal shooting of the alleged leader of the One Order gang, Othniel Loban, otherwise called Thickman.
At least 4 people have been taken into custody in connection with mounting roadblocks. The security forces have been working to maintain calm and prevent reprisal attacks.
Amoy Harriet begins our coverage of the mayhem linked to the incident.
Police and military swarmed the usually busy streets of Spanish Town in St. Catherine Thursday morning to prevent more situations like this. It's believed thugs firebombed this business place on Yonge Street. They also erected roadblocks, another sign that things were heating up following the fatal shooting of alleged leader of the One Order gang, Othniel Loban, otherwise called Thickman. TVJ News understands that Mr. Loban was shot and killed by members of the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force at 6 miles in St. Andrews sometime after 10 o'clock Wednesday night. It's alleged that the police intercepted his vehicle, after which a shootout ensued.
He was one of the main targets for the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force based on his involvement in various acts of criminality.
The fear now is that there will be reprisals. Tension is brewing, especially in the Tall's Meadows community, as residents had a strong reaction to the news of Mr. Loban's killing.
So persons, are upset. Persons are expressing themselves based on the relationship they had with Loban, who is, as I said before, was a leader in this era. It is very unfortunate. Last night we had a few incidents where the roads are blocked, attempt to burn a few premises, but we were quick on location to put some control on that.
And the security forces won't be going anywhere.
I would want to reassure all our commuters, residents within this space that we have things under control. We are not going to allow the kind of disorder that we have seen in Spanish Town over the years. We're going to be very much intolerant of this kind of behavior. Already, we have 4 persons in custody who were a part of blocking the road last night. We're going to be in these communities. The efforts will be relentless. We're not going to let up. Let's return this place into 80. It cannot work.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.